how to make wall plants in the house as ornamental plants in the room. Maybe you've seen the living plant wall either in the park outside or pew in the hotel lobby or company. Beautiful, is not it? You can also create similar living plant walls in your home. The living plant wall is one form of vertical garden and is one solution to beautify the empty house wall or create a beautiful garden in a limited area. The living plant wall is a vertical garden made of several plants or walls that are intentionally covered with plants. To make the living wall of the plant simple, you simply Marambatka vines that are sold in stores or sellers of plants. Although the manufacture of living plant walls depends on the design and type of plants, in principle, it is necessary to support systems that include barriers to protect the walls from plants, places to drain water, and planting media. In addition, the live plant wall also needs care such as pruning so that your living plant wall or your vertical garden will look neat and beautiful. Plants that can be used to make plants living wall. In principle, all vines can be used to make living plant walls. In addition to the creeping plants, you can use this type of hanging plant. Ivy, philodendron, lily are some examples of plants that can be used to make living plant walls. You can also add moss to beautify your garden. Here's how to make a living plant wall. 1. Choose a vertical garden design or living plant wall to use. You can create living plant walls according to the vertical garden design you like, that match your home and fit your skills, such as formal or informal designs, small and simple gardens or large and complex gardens. You can use your existing home wall or build a new wall according to the location of the park you want. 2. Make sure your garden location will get enough light. Light is one of the primary factors indispensable for plants to do photosynthesis so plants can grow healthy. Before you make a living plant wall, then you have to think about this aspect of light, whether your garden will be getting enough sunlight from windows, doors or roofs. If it is difficult to get sunlight, then you have to install a special lighting for the purposes of your plant life, and this certainly requires additional costs. 3. Selection of suitable plants. As I explained above, you can plant various types of vines or hanging or combine the two. If you already know the area of garden making, then you can calculate the needs of the number of plants. 4. Building the structure of living wall plants. You have to think about the structure of the living plant wall with the irrigation system in it. That way you can make sure all your plants will get water supply easily and more effectively than you have to water it using a hose at sea. Of course, your home will be wet or muddy. Simple watering system is the water will flow from the top of the wall and down to wet your plants. You need to coat the walls of your house with waterproof paint so that your walls will be safe from wetness and moisture that can damage the walls of your home. You can make a series of growing media and wires on painted walls or waterproof coatings, or make a grill for your hanging plant, or you can stick a pot that contains the plant to the wall. There are also those that make living plant walls integrated with fish ponds or aquariums. Whatever the design of the garden of the living wall you choose, then it should be adjusted with the ease for cleaning, irrigation, replacement of pots, etc. Garden wall of your living plant you can design in such a way according to your needs and your style. Hopefully this explanation can provide inspiration to create a vertical garden on a narrow land, or utilize the inner walls of your home to provide coolness, beauty and enhance the comfort of the inhabitants of their homes.